In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a custom color swatch. This skill is incredibly useful for designers or anyone working with detailed projects who want to maintain color consistency throughout their work. So, let's dive right into the process and ensure your project visually stands out with precise, uniform colors. First things first, you need to choose a color that you'll be using across your design. You can either select an existing object with the desired color or mix up a new hue using the color panel. Mixing a color allows you to pinpoint the exact tone and shade you want, giving you full creative control. Ensure that this color is active as either the fill or stroke for your object, depending on your needs. Once you have your perfect shade ready, it's time to open up the Swatches panel. You can find it by navigating to the top menu, selecting Window, and then clicking on Swatches. Opening the Swatches panel is like opening your personal palette, where you'll gather all your essential colors. With the Swatches panel open, your next step is to create a new swatch. This is done by either clicking the New Swatch button located at the bottom of the panel, or by going to the Swatches panel menu and selecting New Swatch. Both actions will open up a dialog box where you'll be able to customize and save your color. Within this dialog box, you'll have several options for defining your new swatch. First, you can name the swatch. This is a great opportunity to give your swatch a meaningful name that reflects its use or the project it's associated with, so it's easily identifiable later. Next, you'll need to choose a color mode, which determines how colors are represented within your design. Commonly used color modes include RGB, used for digital designs, and CMYK, typically used for print. Selecting the correct color mode is crucial for ensuring your colors display accurately in their final form. Following this, you'll decide on a color type. You can choose between process or spot. Process colors are used for standard color reproduction, while spot colors are ideal for achieving specific hues, often in professional printing. If maintaining consistency across multiple uses of this color is important, consider ticking the Global option. This feature links your swatch so that any changes to the swatch color instantly updates all instances where it is used in your design. This can save a lot of time and ensure uniformity throughout your project. Finally, once you've set all your preferences, click OK. Your color is now saved in the Swatches panel and ready for use in your future projects. By taking these steps, you ensure that your work is efficient, consistent, and visually cohesive. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.